Hi everyone, welcome to Simply Grace Lifestyle. Alright, so in this video today, have to catch up with some housework, guys. So I am cleaning out this air fryer because we use it a lot and it needs it. Come on with me, guys. So, of course, my sink is full of dishes. The dishwasher's full. I'm just going to keep it moving, guys. We're going to clean out the sink and then I'm going to work on that air fryer. If this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you returning subscribers, I just want to thank you so much from the bottom of my heart for supporting my channels. All right, guys, so I'm going to leave you to a little bit of music and I'll be in and out of the video. Now always remember to head on over to my main channel, the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Go in the community tab and there you're going to find the calendar of collaborations for the month. Now remember that the majority of my collaborations are all open invitations. That's for everybody to come in, enjoy, meet other people, other content creators, and just grow and have fun. So I was using the pink stuff to clean out the inside of the sink. This particular product here doesn't seem to be a big deal to me as much as the spray and the actual paste that comes out of the container. Guys, so I have a small air fryer, and because we use it all of the time, oh my goodness, I got to take it apart and then we got to soak it. I got to sit here and soak this for a little while and then come back and clean it. Now I do need a bigger one. This one here works fine. I don't have any problems with it. It doesn't fit a lot of food in here, but it still works, and I'm just gonna clean it off and then start with the cage part on the bottom. All right, so this is looking pretty clean to me, so I'm done with it. So let's head on over to the review. Now, I don't particularly find cleaning fun, but especially appliances. But I have to say, it does look pretty clean and it really does satisfy you when you see something clean. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed, well, as much as I had to clean it. So if you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day and God bless you. And yes, my door is open, the dogs are barking, and the dishwasher's going. Bye, guys. I'll see you in the next one.